100,000 of them. The lead aircraft is a P-40N model, and the trailing aircraft is a P-40E. P-40E is basically what we had on attack happened so quickly, a lot of our airfields were down. Another look from east to west now, that aircraft in the lead wearing the distinctive checker tail markings of the 4 aircraft from the World War II era. A look here at the P-51V painted up in the 4th Fighter Group. Just took off, that distinctive twin boom aircraft designed by Kelly Johnson at Lockheed, 1938. The Supermarine Spitfire. Another look at that P-51. That airplane's being flown today by Chris Fahey.
Shots left. There's a P-38.
And now approaching from the east, Lockheed P-38 Lightning. Airplane's powered by 2 of the Allison V1710 engines. On that particular design, they had 2 different engines on that airplane. One rotated left, the other rotated right. April 18, coming from the east here in this Russian-marked B-25. Very distinctive camouflage scheme on that airplane. Owned by Charles Gold and Tony Risky. Owned by Rod Lewis. Supermarine Spitfire. B-25 Mitchell. B-38 Lightning, B-51D Mustang. Here at the B-25J Mitchell. B-25 Mitchell was first made to do this mission, and it was our first attack on mainland Japan. Real morale booster for us. It also made the Japanese question our ability to get to their homeland. Made a lot of their aircraft on the islands actually come back to homeland, so it made our island hopping campaign a little bit easier later. Another look at the Spitfire, followed by the P-51, P-40, P-38, P-51.
Faster planes move out
here at the B-25J Mitchell. The all-natural metal paint scheme that those aircraft wore towards the end of the war, they just stopped painting them. No point in it. Look again at the Russian Lend-Lease B-25. Aircraft used by the United States Army Air Corps during World War II era. We even flew Spitfires. We acquired several Spitfires from the British, flew them in North Africa about the first year we were in the war. Built by North American. We have a lost child up here, a boy named JP. He's up here at the announcement booth just in front of the control tower. He is waiting for his parents to find themselves so they can find him. JP?
There we have two P-25Js. Pass in front of the car.